Hello, welcome to me, Kamikidai here, showing you how to fold Islamic patterns. It is the 1st of March 2025. It's the first day of Ramadan, and depending on where you are and if you saw the moon, it could be the first day of your fast. Yesterday was a cloudy day, but I still decided to start the fast today. And I am teaching online workshops on Fridays during this month of Ramadan, and today is Saturday. So yesterday I began teaching some patterns from the Alhambra and Spain. Most of them from the Alhambra, really. But they also, carry over other regions and lands and cultures and places. And it's quite fascinating, quite interesting. So to start off, we're going to do this pattern that I call the emblem, right? So we start with a square here. Once you have your square set up, as I do, then what we're going to do next is get the the grid going on. So I'm going to fold the pattern in half, like so, the square rather, and then I'm going to fold this, just get a little indentation there, a little mark. And then what I'm going to do is take this mark and put it on the diagonal, while at the same time the corner of the square is going to land on the edge. So that point there and that point there. And we don't really need to fold all that. What we really want is just a little point here. That's all we really want. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw that there. And then I'm just gonna fold the corner of the paper to that point. Get that line. So what I'm going to show you next is how to do a mirror fold. So what I'm going to do is interpret two different lines as two different things, right? So one of the lines is going to be the light line, and the other line is going to be the mirror line. So what I'm going to do first is fold the light line, and I'm going to turn it over. Here's my light line, go, and then here's my mirror line. So I'm gonna fold the light and then fold the mirror. You're gonna see the little bulge appears there. Keep this going and then mirror. And then we unfold, and we've effectively mirrored on that point. So what I'm going to do next is turn it over, get the other diagonal in, and then what I'm going to do is mirror both of these lines on this diagonal, but one at a time. So first this one, turn it over, activate the mirror. This little bit, by the way, that little bit is considered part of the mirror, this one. So what I also can do is just follow that, and then naturally this will lead towards the reflection. Another way to know that you're doing it correctly is that these two layers are going to match. If I slide my fingers, then they will coincide. Flip it. Then activate this, extend, unfold, and there we go. Now what I'm going to do is take these 2 points and place them onto the diagonal line, like so. These 2 points, from where the fold intersects on the edge of the square. And then I repeat that on all of them. And that's it. As in the folds for the pattern itself, that's it. That's all we needed to do. What's left is only to draw the pattern in. So what I like to do is use the fold itself as a reference line there, so I can do that. Just draw there that X, and then this X, and this starts to weave around. This one goes completely out. Stand, hits, bounces. It's interesting to think of these patterns as light phenomena. That is, the geometric construction somehow is an interpretation of light or illumination sort of moving around a room of mirrors. Now I know you can't see that too well, but you can see some of it, right? So allow me to show you. Some other examples of the same pattern. So this is what it would look like if it were cut out and drawn in with a Sharpie. You can also, once it's cut up, you can also cut it folded like this, as in get it to sync, make a nice little effect on it. Further, you can then apply the solution to a folded up square. This is a 3x3, and you get this, the same solution. You get to see these shapes appear. So I'm going to do another video for the other pattern. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and check out the links for the instructions. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.